people. Let's get started on the first market minute of 2026 here. And let me just start this off by saying that this is not investment or financial advice at all. This is for entertainment purposes only. So, let's look at the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 and what's going on there. I think a whole lot is going on right now. So this is the S&P 500, and you can see how tight we're getting. Look at this. Look at these two lines I've drawn for you guys here. I don't know why this one got messed up. But look how tight price is getting. Really tight, where these two lines are converging. Price is sitting right there, and the early morning movement of the S&P, look, we're already making some decent push up here. We're already up almost 0.5%. And now let's go back to the Nasdaq. Same thing is happening here. We're already above the high of yesterday in the Nasdaq. These two indices are coiling, and because of that, I think breakouts are going to happen. Now, from this, let's look at the VIX. The VIX, in my opinion, measures the velocity of the market. And I don't like a lot of velocity in the market. I think when velocity comes, it's with panic. So I love the VIX hanging lower. And as you can see, relative to where we have been in the past, we are very low right now. Our VIX is currently at 15.07, and then the VIX of the VIX, which is the derivative of the VIX, I believe this measures acceleration. I also like to see acceleration hang low. And you can see, comparing to the past, we're still low right now. All right, let's look at some hot sectors and industries real quick. We have XLV. Currently, XLV, it's just been hot for so long. It just keeps going up, keeps going up. And we're currently just around the all-time highs of this ETF right here. The all-time highs are 159.64 and price is currently at 158.12. Next, we have XLY, which is consumer discretionary. And here, look, we're breaking out of the base here, and we're just pushing higher. I love this sector personally because Amazon's in it, and I love Amazon because I'm a huge consumer of Amazon products. And XLI, which is industrials, also breaking out of this long base here. If I can get my box going, look at this long box here. A lot of consolidation, and then it broke out and is continuing the breakout to the upside, sitting at all-time highs still. Next, we have some in-play stocks that I think could have good opportunities today or soon. Here, let's start with iron. Where are you, iron? Right here. Iron. I got in yesterday, but a break above this downward trend here would be a good play, and I think it's a good play because of how tight it got. Look how tight it got down here. And look at this initial massive movement up. Over 500% increase. Almost 500% increase. Number two is CHYM. This is Chime. I'm sure you guys have actually heard of the company before. We just had a little bit of tight consolidation here, and then we broke above yesterday. Yesterday is when I entered, and pre-market movement, we're pushing higher. Next, we have Plug. And on Plug, I'm not thinking about entering until we can break above 250 around. Good psychological number. We have some consolidation right here. And if we can break above this, I would consider being a buyer. Next, we have NXT, and this is in the solar realm of things. And solar has been making huge pushes all of 2025. And look here, we had a recent movement of 110% higher, and then we're having tight consolidation here. So I would be a buyer of NXT above 93.48. And let me draw another box for you guys right here, right there. Look, real tight consolidation is getting nice and tight. So when this thing breaks out, I would be a buyer. Now let's look at stocks I currently own. I'll tell you guys my entry price. We have BE, And the entry price for BE for myself was 95.56. I labeled it from this line here. And I'm already in CHYM. This is Chime. My entry price is 27.64. 27.64. You can see by that line right there, that's my entry price. And then I am already in Iron. My entry price on Iron is 46.78, so a little bit above there, just around 46.78, and we're seeing we're pushing higher in the pre-market. KTOS, and this is a defense sector stock. KTOS, my entry is at 85.98, and this is one of my big winners because of what Trump said about the Department of War, Department of Defense, or whatever. And then PL, my entry on PL is 20.87. And lastly, the last position I'm holding is UUUU. I really like this one. You can see tight consolidation here, broke above. My entry is 17.45. Alrighty, that's it for the market minute. Here's a little motivation for you guys. A stoic is someone who transforms fear into prudence, pain into transformation, mistakes into initiation, and desire into undertaking. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and weekend.